Hey guys, this is Vic from Grasping the Market and welcome to our market briefing. Today we had no change on the larger time frame, but on the daily we saw that despite the extent of Tuesday's move, we have only a very marginal extension to the downside, failing to reach the key 29.1525 level, which is the FOMC low. We seem to be in a short-term balance range, and we're approaching the lower side of that range delimited by the gap left on Tuesday morning. Zooming on the market profile, we saw strong rejection from the overnight buying activity right from the open and spent the majority of the session below Tuesday's afternoon pullback, which was the level denoting change around 29.29. The expanding the profile, we see a more clear picture of the kind of double distribution trend day that we had. We had a strong push in the morning, followed by some consolidation and another push later in the session with some further consolidation. But an important thing to highlight is that there was a clear sell in the rally behavior. But despite having this, at the end of the day, they managed to get extension lower and establish overlapping to low value. But despite this increased efforts, the extension below Tuesday's low was very small, relatively small, only three handles. Also, it's important to highlight that there was some evidence of long inventory accumulation, where it seems to be long inventory accumulations, because with every push down, we had a very healthy excess, at least a temporary excess form. We saw that on the B period, we saw that on the I period, we saw that on the K period. A lot of buying activity, and the amounts of the volume being bought suggests that this may be done, or may have done, by a larger time frame. Rather than the shorter time frame responsible for the selling that, as we've seen the last couple of sessions, has been very mechanical. Having said that, the immediate focus on for the next session is on value development relative to the afternoon range delimited by the MN periods, with the incomplete auction that we have at the lows increasing the odds or suggesting that there is further downside possible. Acceptance above the afternoon pullback, which is the M high at 29.2450, will denote change, and it will increase the odds of the market being in immediate balance. But remember, anything can happen because odds are just odds.